your hands. Madhu, good. Close your eyes. See, ma'am is strictly saying today, from today onwards, you have to follow the Kids anthem along with me. Okay, right? I'll give time. You must say. Okay? Put your mic mute and then say. Okay, right? Good children. Come on, close your eyes. Kids anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Ah, very good. Okay, fine. Very good. Okay. I noticed only Sai Mira and Madhuvanti said the this national kids anthem. Yes. Okay. All must say, children. Fine. Get ready for the exercise. Go around the room. Come on. All go around the room. Go one round. Yes. Run around the room. Jason started to run. Shivanya. Yes. Run. Run around the room. Litiksha has started very nicely. Yes. Very good, Saimira. Very good, Jason. Janavi, are you running or not? Good children. Now stand up. Stand up. Okay, right? Yeah. Audio of a song. Okay? Arabic song. Yes, run. All must do, children. All must do the exercise. Yes, sit down. All sit, sit. Okay, very nice, children. Very nice, very nice. If you want, drink water. Okay, right? Fine. Yes, nice, children. Okay, let's start our session, right? Now? Yes? Shall we start our session? Say yes, ma'am. Say, children. Say yes, ma'am. Okay, fine. Fine, fine. What? Yes, very good, Keshav. What letter we learned yesterday, children? What letter was that? Alphabet letter? W. Yes, W. Very good, Janavi. W. W for? W for? Yes, Varsha. What did you say? W for?
W for window.
Window. Very good. Janavi say? W for?
Watch.
Watch. Very good. W for watch. Jason, say one thing. W for?
Water.
See? Water. You're dumping, right? Dumping in your mouth. Yes, Saimira, say one thing. W for?
Whale.
Whale. Okay. Farheen? W for what, Farheen?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. What's the sound of W?
Sound of W.
Yes? Yeah? Okay. Madhu, you say one thing. W for? Madhu?
What?
Watch. Okay. Shivanya? W for?
W for wet.
What, Shivanya?
W for wet.
Sorry, Kana, not clear. W for?
Wet wipes, ma'am. Wet wipes.
Wet wipes. Oh, great, great. Wet wipes. Okay. Yes, Litiksha, W for?
What?
சொல்லு.
W for
கேட்கல ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு.
W for watermelon.
Very good. Watermelon. Keshav, W for?
Say W for.
W for window.
Window. One enough. Okay. So, W for watch, W for wood, W for window, W for watermelon, W for wet wipes, W for wall, and W for wood. Okay. There are so many things are there. Okay, fine. That is W. The sound of W is V. Say V. Okay. Yes. What is the number finally we learned? What is that number? Which number we learned? 18. Yes, we completed 1 to 18. Yes, very nice, very nice. 18. So, ma'am is going to introduce a new number. Next of 18. What will come the next to 18, children? Say 15, 16, 17, 18. What will come? What is the number? 19. Yes, of course. 19 will come after 18. 18 after 19. Children, you know how it will be? 1 and 9. 1 and 9, 19. 1 and 9, 19. See how to write 1 and 9. 1. This is 1 and this is 9. Yes, right. 1 and 9, 19. See, 1 and 9 should write like this. Okay. You are not supposed to write 0 and a standing line. No, this is wrong. Okay. Have to write. First, you have to start like C, like shape, then go up and then come down. This is 19. Okay. Each and every letter should write in its proper way, children. Okay. You are not supposed to write on your own. Okay, right? This is 19. How to write 19? Say 1 and 9 is 19. 1 and 9. 19. Okay? 1 and 9, 19. 1 and 9, 19. Say all of you. Say 1 and 9, 19. Okay, right? 1 and 9 is called 19. Okay, right, children? Now, all must take your, take your workbook. All take your workbook, children. All take your workbook. Right? Take page number 138. Empty. Complete. Trace the number 19. Okay? All take your workbook. Come on. Trace the number 19. How to trace? 1 and 9. Sorry. 1 and 9. 1 and 9, 19. Come on, take your workbook. Page number 138. Trace the number 19. Slowly. I taught you how to write number 9. Put like C, like shape, and take it up and come down as a straight line. That is 9. Yes.
Finish.
Finish. Oh, as soon as. Very fast. Very nice. So, say what the number is that? Saimira and Madhu and team? 19. What are the
1 and 19.
very good. The numbers in the 19 are 1 and 9. 1, 9, 19. Okay. Very good. Very good. Now take your slate and write 1 to 19. Saimira and Madhu, take your slate. Write the sequence. 1 to don't tell that you practiced in the morning. Saimira, have to write 1 to 19 numbers. Say and write. Say and write. 1, 2. Slowly count and write. Then only you will not miss any number. Will not skip numbers. Litiksha, very nice. You're writing on your own, right, Litiksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Very great improvement. Farheen? Very nice, Shivanya. What number is that?
That's a 19, ma'am.
That's 19. Very great. What are the numbers in 19?
19 என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கு?
Very great. Yeah. Now take a slate and write 1 to 19 numbers. Write 1 to 19. Very good, Jason. Sorry, Adan. Adan, good job. This is 19. Okay, Adan. 19. 1, 9, 19. Jason, finish. What number is that, Jason?
19.
19. What are the numbers in 19?
19 have
19 have what are the numbers?
1, 9.
Very great.
20.
Now write 1 to 19 numbers in your slate.
Red. Chappu.
Finish. Finish, Janvi. Very good. Very good. What? Say what number is that? Madhu, 1 minute. I'll come.
9, 19.
1, 9, 19. Write 1 to 19 numbers in the slate, children. Madhuvanti, finish down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Very good, Madhu. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you சொல்லுங்க மேம்க்கு. மேம்க்கு thank you சொல்லுங்க.
Welcome, welcome. Yes, Madhu, you must practice. Okay, you should say thank you, sorry. Yeah, excuse me. Very good. Finish, dear. Litiksha, good. What number is that, Litiksha?
19.
1, 9, 19. Okay, write in your slate. Very great, good. Come on, write in your slate. Take your slate and write 1 to 19 numbers.
19
Saimira, Saimira, you are troubling?
Lot, ma'am.
Yes. Madhu has finished.
Right.
Keshav, Farheen, Varsha, completed? Finished, children?
Louder.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, Shivanya. Good job. Wow, very neat. Very neat, Shivanya. Superb.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Enough, Kana? Keep it down. Down. Very nice it is. Kesha, still writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, writing in the slate, right? Okay.
So finished, ma'am, this one.
Yeah. Okay. That's good.
Start karo.
Yes, right, 7. Keshav. Where is 6?
Keshav feeling cold, ma'am.
Oh. He got cold.
Nothing, ma'am.
Feeling chillness, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah, very cold. No, there will be power.
Yes.
So pity, Keshav. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Fine. Then
That's okay, sure.
Okay, Kana, right. Ah, very nice, Saimira. Good job. Okay, fine, dear. Very good. Nice it is. Farheen, you completed, Farheen. Varsha and Farheen. Ah, Adan. Adan, don't rub Adan. Janavi completed. Good girl.
மாமி கிட்ட காட்டலாம்.
Very nice, very nice. Good. Shall we move next? Okay. Okay, this is a rhymes time. Okay. Shall we sing rhymes, children? Yes? Move your book and all. Keep away. Madhukuti, look at here. Look at me, Madhu. Yes. All give one clap, children. Clap your hands. Fine, stop writing. Stop writing. Ah. Pipi. Paprabang. Junior. Come on. Yes. Okay. All singing. Sing, little baby, don't be sad. Little baby, don't be sad. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Little baby, don't be sad. Come give me a smile. Little baby, don't be angry. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Little baby, don't be angry. Come give me a hug. Come on. Come on, sing. Little baby, don't be sad. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Little baby, don't be sad. Come give me a smile. Little baby, don't be angry. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Little baby, don't be angry. Come give me a hug. Okay? Yes. And ma'am is going to revise you one old song. It was about our laundry man. Okay? Oh, look, here comes a laundry man, laundry man, laundry man. Oh, look, here comes a laundry man with our fresh and clean clothes, with our fresh and clean clothes. Yes? Come on, sing. Oh, look, here comes a laundry man, the laundry man, the laundry man. Oh, look, here comes a laundry man with our fresh and clean clothes, with our fresh and clean clothes. Okay? What song is this? Laundry man song. Is any of you remember this song? No? Okay, shall we sing together? Okay? Once again, come on. Oh, look, here comes a laundry man, laundry man, a laundry man. Oh, look, here comes a laundry man with our clean, fresh and clean clothes, with our fresh and clean clothes. Okay? Very sweet song, children. Next. What's the next song? I have 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose. Sing, children. Sing along with me. All stand up. All stand up. Come on. Stand up and sing. I have 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears. Touch, yes. Touch the ears. 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, One little head goes side to side. One little head goes side to side. Come on. I have 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright. 1 little head goes side to side. Okay, right. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Okay? Very nice, very nice. What's the next song you want? Say children, what song you want? Okay. Very good, Letiksha. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, shining on the signal bright. When it's green, it's time to go. When it's red, it stops, you know. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, shining on the signal bright. Okay? What is the next? Very good. Very good. The big ship sail on the alley, alley-o. Alley, alley-o. Alley, alley-o. The big ship sail on the alley, alley-o. On the last day of September. The captain said it will never, never do. Never, never do. Never, never do. The captain said it will never, never do on the last day of September. The big ship sank to the bottom of the sea. All do the action at least. The big ship sank to the bottom of the sea. Bottom of the sea. Bottom of the sea. The big ship sank to the bottom of the sea on the last day of September. We all dip our heads in the deep blue sea. Deep blue sea. Deep blue sea. We all dip our heads in the deep blue sea on the last day of September. Okay? Yes? What's the next? Yes, sing. Orange. Orange is the color of so many things we see. Would you like to sing a little orange song with me? Sing. Orange juice and orange cheese, orange carrots if you please, orange pumpkins, orange leaves. Let's sing a song of orange. Okay? Yes? Very good. Fine, children. Now,
Ma'am, I want to say that ABCD with you.
Farhin, you want to sing a ABCD song? Sing along with me. Yes, sing.
Sing with ma'am.
Sing. Do the action.
Sing with you.
Yeah, okay, I'll sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I sing my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yes? There are four types of ABCD songs are there for him. One is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, butter on a bread, If you don't like it, go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me and I will teach you ABC. Okay? Happy children? Very nice, very nice. Okay, this now it's a language time. Okay? All take your workbook and trace the mountain pattern. Okay, it's in page number 138. LT. Fine. It's page number 138. LT. Yes. All trace the mountain pattern, children. Yes, trace the mountain pattern from down to up. Sorry. No. From down to slowly go up, come down. Go up, come down. Go up, come down. Like this, you have to write. Okay? This is the mountain pattern. Yeah, it's page number 138. MT. Sorry, LT. Okay. Or you do one thing, children. Your hands will be paining, right? Already you have completed 2 class works. Okay, fine. Take it as a homework. This mountain pattern, take it as a homework. Okay, right? Now it's a concept time. Stop writing, all of you. Concept time. Okay. See, look at their page number 138 CT, children. Stop writing the mountain pattern. Take page number 138 CT. Okay. Yes. All see this. Yesterday I taught you about the pollution, right? Okay. Hello, open here. Open this page. Page number 138 CT. Yesterday I taught you about the pollution. Okay. Pollution, right? Pick the right actions and cut the wrong actions. Okay. Planting trees, good or bad, children? Children, planting trees, good or bad?
Good.
Good. So you have to put tick mark
Right.
in the planting tree. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Cutting trees, good or bad?
Bad.
Bad. So you have to put cross mark here. Okay. Put cross mark here. Okay. Throwing papers or waste in the dustbin is right or wrong? Throwing paper into the dustbin is right or wrong action?
Right. Wrong.
Right.
Right. It is right action. So put here tick mark. Okay. Throwing out of the dustbin is good or wrong?
No.
Right or wrong? No, it's a wrong. It's a very bad habit. Okay. Yes. Finish. Very nice. Now I'll teach you about the ways. What are the ways for protect our environment? Okay, right, children? Yes. I'll show some clippings. So what's happening here? What you can see in this picture?
Pollution.
Yes, this is air pollution because all the factories emitting their smoke, chemical smoke. It's full of poisonous smokes. These are toxins, okay? Chemicals, added smokes, they are emitting all the factories, okay? This will pollute our air, okay? This will pollute our air. At the same way, yes, this is factory smokes are coming from factories, okay? This is poisonous smokes. So this will pollute our air. The air is not clean or pure. We will not, we couldn't get a pure air, good air, okay? This emission of this poisonous gas cause cough, sneezing, pneumonia. It will affect our lungs. Okay, right, children? So breathing this poisonous gas will affect our lungs. Okay, so we will fall in sick. We might fall in sick. Okay, right? So these factories emitting the poisonous gas will pollute our atmosphere, will pollute our air. Okay. At the same way, the vehicles make the air pollution. That too emit the poisonous smoke. Okay, right, children? This is air pollution. This cause air pollution. See, this and all cause are air polluted. Okay, right. And the secondary thing, water pollution. First, I'll show the air pollution. Now I'm showing water pollution. See, factory wastewater is factories, wastewater coming from factories and house and some other places pollute our water bodies. They are mixing with our water bodies. So our water body get polluted. See, all the waste, unwanted things, plastics, everything we are simply throwing to the water bodies that cause water pollution. Okay. So this is the cause of water pollution. Yeah. See, full of plastic things are floating on the water. Yeah. Yeah. And factory wastage and dirty waters is adding with letting with the good water bodies, that too pollutes our water bodies. Okay, so we what happened to this? We will get only polluted water. When they are making this we are getting polluted water. Okay, so don't allow the factory outlets to add in the good water bodies. Okay, right. This is the third one is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down the trees. Okay, children, yesterday I taught you because trees are the only source to get a good air, pure air. Because trees take all the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a poisonous thing in which is mixed with our air. Okay, that and all the trees take carbon dioxide and give out pure oxygen. Okay, that is good for our health. So when we are started to cut down the trees, we will get only polluted air. This is the main cause of air pollution. Okay, children, don't cut the trees, don't fire the forest, wood or something. Okay, instead of that, we have to afforestation. What means plant trees, plant more trees. Okay, that will give out good rain and good air. Okay, children. So because of that, we have to to save our environment. We have to throw the dust and plastic covers, wafers, that and all have to throw into the dustbin. We are not supposed to throw in the ground or water bodies. That will make our water bodies and soil pollute. Okay, children. So how to conserve our environment? So to conserve our environment, we must not throw unwanted things in the water bodies or in the ground. Okay, right? We should dispose our unwanted things into the dustbin. Okay, and we should not cut the trees. We have to plant more trees. Instead of cutting, we have to plant. Okay, each and everyone should plant one or two trees in your nearby place or house. If you have a garden in your house, means there you plant a small seed or saplings or something. Okay, that will grow one day and that will give more and more oxygen to you. You will get good air, children. Okay, so don't cut trees, don't destroy the trees, don't fire the wood. Okay, right? And don't burn the fire the plastics. Okay, avoid plastic things. Okay, right, children? Use metal or copper or bottles to drink water, to store the water. Okay, don't use plastic things. Okay, take it in your mind, keep it in your mind. Don't use plastic. Throw the waste into the dustbin. Okay, don't pollute water bodies. Don't pollute the atmosphere. Save our green environment, children. Okay, right? Fine. Yes, very nice, children. Very nice, children. Now it's time to play. Yes, all stand up. Stand up, stand up. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Yes, go and bring your ball. Bring one ball and bring one toy. Yes, come on, hurry up, hurry up. See, children, practice yourself to get your things on your own. If ma'am said go and get your ball, means you should go and get your balls from your plaything. See, nowadays I hope you are washing your playthings on your own, right? And keep it neatly. Okay? Yes. Jason, where's your ball? Keep a doll in your some distance. Take distance and hit the doll. Yes. Aim the doll and hit it with your ball. Yes. No, this time you missed it, Jason. Come on, try again. Try again. Adan, come on, Adan. Take a ball. Aim your toy and hit it. Ah, very nice, very nice. Try again, try again. Shivanya, no ball? Okay, hit with your toy. Ah, take distance, Shivanya. Take little more distance. Yes, Janavi. Take distance. Go back, move back little. Janavi, move back little. Madhu. Ah, catch. Ah, catch the ball. Very good, very good. That too. Yes, yes, very nice. Ah, Madhu, take distance, some more distance. Inna konja gap. Ah, yeah, yeah. Very good, very good. Jahnavi, come on, hit the doll. Very good, Shivanya. Good aim. Keshav, you don't have ball? Ball or toy? Litiksha, Farheen. Very great, Jason. Superb. Good job, good job. Aim your toy. Aim your toy and hit it. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't have a ball. Ma'am, I don't have a ball. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, 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 I can hear you. You don't have ball? My God. Sandra, you have lots and lots of balls and toys, yeah? Okay, take another one toy. Keep one toy in a place. Take another one toy and hit it with this toy. You understood? You're in mute, Saimira. Saimira, you're in mute. Unmute your mic and say.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah, yes, yes. Take 2 toys. If you don't have ball means take 2 toys. Keep one toy in a place and take distance and stand. Aim the toy and throw it. Hit it. Litiksha, very nice, Litiksha. Kesha, good job. Farheen, come on. Stand up and throw. Adan, try, Adan. Adan, try. Get your ball. Get your ball and throw. Okay. Now keep your toy in a place. Try to jump the toy. Take a little bit big toy. Okay. Jason, it's great.
এখন
Come on, try to jump your toy.
করতে পারবে নাকি? হ্যাঁ এখানে জাম্প করো তো।
Jump with your both your legs.
জাম্প
Both of your legs. Ah,
দুই পায়ে এই দেখো দুই পায়ে
Yes.
এরকম করে জাম্প করে আসো।
Jump.
আবার জাম্প করে যাও।
ah, yes.
দুই পা লাগাও লাগিয়ে
Ah,
দুই পা
very
লাগাও
good, very
এরকম,
good,
জোড়া লাগিয়ে।
Kesha. Very nice.
Oh.
Okay.
দুই পা লাগাও,
Yes.
জয়েন করো
Yes, yes.
জয়েন করো।
Increase the size.
লাগিয়ে জাম্প করে। হ্যাঁ লাগাও
Increase
আবার
the
লাগাও।
size.
লাগাও।
Yes.
জাম্প করো।
Ah, very good, Kesha.
நீ ஓடி போய் ஜம்ப் பண்ணு.
জাম্প লাগিয়ে পা লাগিয়ে।
Jason. Come on, try to jump. First you
What?
hold Amma. Ah, very good, very good. Jump. Yes, children. Shivanya, careful. Be careful, okay? Yes.
Don't run, jump. Jump over it.
Yes. Jump.
Good.
Jump on the toy. Saimira, you don't have anything? Not even a doll? Small only you have? Okay, it looks very nice, children. Very nice it is. Good job. Shreyas also jumping. See? Look at the children. He too
He's
jumping.
Running and jumping, ma'am.
yeah.
No, don't do that.
Okay. So you are tired, children? Are you tired? Okay, stop all of you. So here our ma'am is going to stop the class. Okay. I'll meet you tomorrow. Okay, right? Bye-bye. Welcome. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Adam. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.